Are you considering a career as a data scientist in the UK but wondering if it's worth it? In this video, we'll dive into the pros and cons of pursuing a data science career in the UK, including the job market, salary expectations, and required skills. From the demand for data scientists in various industries to the challenges you may face, we'll cover it all. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply curious about data science, this video will provide you with valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. Part 1. Get qualified, the essentials for this career. Hey, future data scientists! Let me walk you through what you'll need to kickstart your career in this cutting-edge field. While a degree in computer science, maths, or a science-based subject is the traditional route, what really matters is your analytical mindset. Key subjects like physics, computer science, engineering, mathematics, and statistics will build your foundation. But here's what employers are really looking for: exceptional database design skills and proficiency in modern programming languages. While Python and R are absolutely essential these days, and yes, they're the industry standards, having knowledge of SQL for database management is becoming increasingly important. Many successful data scientists now come from diverse academic backgrounds. It's your practical skills and problem-solving abilities that truly count. Now here's something exciting. Many large tech companies and corporations offer fantastic graduate training schemes that typically span 2 years. And here's the brilliant part. While some might specify particular degree subjects, many are open to graduates from all disciplines. This means your unique perspective could be incredibly valuable. Speaking of leveling up your credentials, a postgraduate qualification can really set you apart in this competitive field. Master's degrees and PhDs in cutting-edge areas like big data, data science, data analytics, and business analytics are increasingly valued by employers. As of 2025, there's a particular emphasis on machine learning specializations and AI applications areas that weren't as prominent just a few years ago. While these advanced programs typically require a background in mathematics, engineering, computer science, or related sciences, some universities now offer conversion courses for career changers. Part 2. Behind the scenes, what you'll actually do. Let's dive into the exciting day-to-day reality of being a data scientist. You'll be like a detective, working hand-in-hand with different business teams to uncover challenges and craft innovative solutions using cutting-edge machine learning tools and statistical techniques. Think of yourself as a storyteller with data. You'll transform complex information into clear, compelling reports that reveal how customers interact with products and services. One of the most rewarding aspects is seeing your insights drive real change. You'll spot trends, identify pain points, and use this valuable data to help create more efficient prototypes. And here's what's particularly exciting in 2025. With the rise of AI and automated analytics, you'll be at the forefront of implementing these groundbreaking technologies. As you progress in your career, you'll have the opportunity to step into leadership roles, building and mentoring your own team of data scientists. You'll become a true ambassador for your company, sharing your expertise at industry events and conferences. Part 3. Is this career right for you? Now let's talk about whether you've got what it takes to thrive in this dynamic field. First and foremost, you'll need to be a natural problem solver with razor-sharp analytical skills. Think of yourself as a puzzle master who loves diving deep into data to uncover hidden patterns and solutions. In today's fast-paced tech environment, you'll need to be brilliant at juggling multiple projects and meeting tight deadlines. And let's talk about attention to detail. In a world where a single misplaced decimal point could change everything, precision is your best friend. While data science often involves collaboration, you'll frequently find yourself working independently. That means you need to be self-motivated and resilient, because let's face it, your first solution won't always be the right one. As for technical skills, while Python and R are your bread and butter, experience with modern data tools like Hadoop, SQL, and cloud-based platforms like AWS and Azure is increasingly valuable in 2025. Part 4. What to expect. The work environment explained. Let's talk about what your daily life as a data scientist might look like. The standard working week typically runs Monday to Friday, with flexible hours between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. But here's the exciting update. The working landscape has dramatically evolved since the pandemic, and hybrid working has become the new norm in most organizations. Many companies now offer fantastic flexible arrangements, with some even going fully remote. You might find yourself collaborating with teams across different time zones, which adds an interesting dynamic to the role. Part 5. What's next? Let's explore the exciting career path ahead. The prospects for data scientists are absolutely booming, and here's the brilliant news. Career progression can be remarkably swift. With just 2 to 5 years of solid experience under your belt, you could find yourself stepping into a senior role where you'll be leading and inspiring the next generation of data scientists. The role of senior data scientist has evolved beyond just technical expertise. You'll be wearing multiple hats, from mentoring junior team members to driving strategic decisions that shape your company's data initiatives. The salary progression is equally impressive, with senior roles often commanding significant packages, especially when you factor in bonuses and equity options. The field is expanding rapidly, with new specializations emerging in areas like AI ethics, machine learning operations, ML ops, and sustainable AI. This means there are countless paths your career could take, whether you're interested in becoming a technical specialist, moving into management, or even launching your own data consultancy. Remember, in the world of data science, the opportunities are as limitless as the data itself. Part 6: The good, the bad, and the reality of this career. Let's weigh up the pros and cons of this exciting career path. The job market is more vibrant than ever, with opportunities spanning from tech giants to innovative startups. On the plus side, career progression can be remarkably swift. Imagine stepping into a senior role after just a couple of years. The salary potential is fantastic, and you'll be at the forefront of technological innovation. However, let's be honest about the challenges. The role can involve significant solo work, so you need to be comfortable being your own motivator and problem solver. While this independence can be liberating, it might not suit everyone's working style. And here's something to consider. When those project deadlines loom, you might find yourself burning the midnight oil or sacrificing some weekends to get things over the line. The field is incredibly dynamic, with new tools and technologies emerging constantly. While this means continuous learning, which some might see as a challenge, it also means you'll never be bored. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of solving real-world problems and seeing your work make a tangible impact. Part 7: Earning potential, what you'll make in this career. Let's talk money. The figures are looking very promising for data scientists. Here's the latest salary breakdown, and it's even better than before. Entry-level data scientists can expect to start at £30,000 to £40,000. That's a significant increase from previous years, reflecting the growing demand for data expertise. The great news: you don't have to wait long to see your salary grow. Mid-level data scientists, with 3 to 5 years of experience, are now commanding £45,000 to £75,000, particularly if you're working in tech hubs like London, Manchester, or Cambridge. Senior data scientists are seeing some of the most impressive figures, with salaries ranging from £75,000 to £120,000, and even higher for those in specialised roles or leadership positions. Some tech giants and financial institutions are offering packages exceeding £150,000 when you factor in bonuses and benefits. What's particularly exciting is the emergence of specialised roles that can command premium salaries. The specialisation landscape is particularly exciting right now. AI and machine learning specialists are commanding premium packages, typically earning 15 to 20% more than traditional data scientist roles. The financial sector is equally rewarding, with financial data scientists often receiving substantial additional bonuses of 20–30% on top of their base salary. Perhaps most notably, healthcare data scientists are experiencing unprecedented salary growth, driven by the sector's increasing reliance on data-driven decision-making and the growing demand for healthcare analytics. Part 8: Dig deeper, where to learn more about this career. Want to supercharge your data science journey? Let me share some invaluable resources that'll help you stay ahead of the curve. The Analytics Institute has become a powerhouse for professional development, offering cutting-edge certifications and networking opportunities that can really boost your career. The Association of Data Scientists continues to be a brilliant hub for industry insights and professional connections. They've recently launched some fantastic mentorship programs. The Institute for Analytics and Data Science at the University of Essex remains at the forefront of academic research and practical applications. Find helpful links in the description below for resources, training, and career advice to kickstart or grow your journey as a data scientist. Thanks for watching Career Chronicles UK. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share to inspire others to find their dream careers too. See you in the next video.